Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nur Izzati binti Muhammad Rizal, metric number I81028112. Today I will talk about chapter 11, Managing Knowledge, subtopic 11.4. What are the business's benefits of using intelligent techniques for knowledge management? In this subtopic, they have three main points, which is machine learning, intelligent agents, and hybrid AI system. For machine learning is the study of how computer programs can improve their performance without implicit programming. For neural networks are used for solving complex, poorly understood problems for which large amounts of data have been collected. A neural network has a large number of sensing and processing nodes that continuously interact with each other. One type of neural network comprising an input layer and output layer, and a hidden processing layer. Next is genetic algorithm. Genetic algorithms are useful for finding the optimal solution for a specific problem by examining a very large number of possible solutions for that problem. Genetic algorithms are commonly used for generate high-quality solutions to optimizations and searching problems by relying on biologically inspired operations such as mutation, crossover, and selections. Next is intelligent agent. Intelligent agent technology helps businesses navigate through large amounts of data to locate and act on information that is considered important. Intelligent agents are software programs that work without direct human intervention to carry out specific tasks for an individual user, business processes, or software application. There are many intelligent agent applications today in operational system, application software, email system, mobile computing software, and network tools. And the last one is hybrid AI system. Genetic algorithm, fuzzy logic, neural networks, and expert systems can be integrated into a single application to take advantage of the best features of these technologies. Such systems are called hybrid AI systems. Hybrid applications in businesses are growing. In Japan, Hitachi, Mitsubishi, Ricoh, Sanyo, and others are starting to incorporate hybrid AI in produce such as home appliance, factory machinery, and office equipment. That's all for today. Thank you.